back to Crafting Cars. Today we're going to clean the interior out on this 97 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Let's get into it. We're going to get in here and clean all this crap up. Get all my old clothes and oil and junk out of here. Try to put the sides back on. I stole the radio out of it already. Knocked down the cobwebs. Get this thing cleaned up. Gotta get all this crap out of here. My fishing stuff. In order to get all of my stains out, I'm just taking this brush and some carpet cleaner solution and just scrubbing it. Now we ain't fancy. I do have a carpet cleaner, but my hose is broke. So we're just gonna do this and then suck it out with the old shop vac. Get these seats done and suck them out, and we'll see what they look like when they're done. Okay, the seat's done. Looks a lot better. It's got a couple stains, but smells a lot better. That's the main point. There was a big brown stain all the way around here. Now it's gone. Alright, I'm gonna try out these carpets. Of course, I'm 6'2" and I'm trying to stand up. There we go. I'm gonna try to clean these carpets and I'll come back and show you the after. Alright, and there's the after. Most of the stains out. A lot of this is oil and stuff that I had just thrown behind my seat every time I used it. So some of them are just stained in there for good. But it smells better. It's the best part. Alright, let's try and get this one done. Get some of that mold out. Alright, there she goes. Looks a lot better than it did. Could have scrubbed it a little longer, got those two stains out down that side over there. I think it's soda that ran down. But we might do that later. But that's good. I'll wipe down all the interior and then we'll call it a day. The whole point of this is to make it smell better, because it was smelling pretty rough. Sat up over there for 4 years and had some mice living in it and everything else. But let's get it cleaned down and we'll end this video. Alright, here's the reveal. I think it's looking a lot better. Nice and clean. Center console. No trash. Smells great. It smells really good in here now. Of course, we're using that Lysol flavor today. Door panels both look good. Alright. That's the end of cleaning the interior on this 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Thanks for sticking around and watching the end. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell button to get notified when my next videos come out. Thank y'all. Have a good day.